Hello, Greenfinger! Welcome back! If you are new to this channel and find this video interesting, click the like and subscribe button and share this video with your family and friends. I'm not a gardener expert, I just want to share with you based on my experiences as a plant hobbyist. With that said, without further ado, let's get started. Today, we will discuss how to care Bougainvillea I started plants. Taking care of this last May. It was given to me and propagated by our family friend from Pampanga. And now, I don't know how to take care of this at first. I started to research how to care of this. I overwatered it also. Now that I know that he needs a lot of direct sunlight for 6 hours a day. And the soil should be well drained and you can only water it weekly. So I start place or division wall of our neighbor and my gate and our gate. I found out that after a month or so, since during those time it has a lot of rain, so it has no flower at all. It starts to color pink, those top layer of the leaves, but no flower at all. I never add some water anymore since prolonged rainy days during those months, and allow it to dry, well drained, and started to, after a few months, started to get a color of pink. And I also prune other stem to encourage flowering. And finally, last November, which is my birthday, I was surprised that it has a color pink. Those color pink is not really the flower, that what you call bract, B-R-A-C-T. And the real flower was the tiny one, which is the white and yellow one in the middle of the paper-like. That's the flower. Those pinks are bracts, they call it bracts, and a paper-like texture, very thin. And so it's also after 6 months, finally it has flowers. And then I was so surprised I can take care and propagate and grow a bougainvillea like this. Don't give up. Patience is a virtue. Don't throw all your looks like dying plants. Just wait for the perfect timing. They will thrive and they will bloom in their own time. And Happy New Year! Thank you for watching. Let's face and welcome this upcoming New Year 2022 with positivity and good vibes. And this too shall pass. So always remember that. God bless and take care. Stay safe. Bye.